Namaste Gurukulians. Hope you all are fine at home. So in our previous lecture, we have studied about the skeleton system of human being. Today, we will discuss about the joints which is present in human skeleton system. So today we will discuss about the joints. So first we have to know that what is the role of joints in the human skeleton. So we have discussed that is the movement, how the movement that is done in animals and how the movements that is done in human beings. So we have studied the skeleton system that provide us support, shape and also help in the movement. But if only the skeleton system is there present in human body, that is a hard one. If we touch it, there is some hard substances present inside our body. So how we can be bend our body, because whenever there is a movement is there is a some bending of the organ is also be there. For example, if I have to lift this chalk with the help of our hand and I also have to use my arm this. So there is a movement, you can see. So I can be bent my arm from here, from this point. You can see. I can be bent my arm from this point. I cannot be bent from here. क्या तुम लोग भी अपने आर्म को यहाँ से बेंड कर सकते हैं, यहाँ से बेंड कर सकते हैं, यहाँ से बीच में से? No. Only there is a one. This part is that from where we can be bend our arm or our organ. The same in the legs. If I am talking about the fingers, it can be flexible here. If I am talking about our hand, okay, I am talking about our wrist, I can move like this. So what happens? This is from where we can be moved. From where we can be the reason from where we can be moved this, we can reduce this one, or there is some movement, I can show this movement. So this, there is some joints are there. So that part from where the two bones are connected, the reason where the two bones are connected with each other, that part is called the joint. So how can we define as the reason of the body where two bones connected with each other, that point called what we call joint. उन पॉइंट को हम क्या बोलते हैं? जॉइंट्स बोलते हैं. So what happened? Actually, these bones are held together a joint with the tough and the fibrous material, which is called the ligament. अब ये बोन जो होती है, they are joints. Wait, this is also a part of bone. That is a tough and the fibrous material, which is called the, जहां से जिस चीज से कनेक्टेड होती है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? लिगामेंट्स. Now these joints, ये joints जो होते हैं आगे, again it can be divided into a three part, means that can be a fixed, slightly movable or movable. So these joints again are divided into a three part. One is fixed. Fixed से ही आप समझ जाओगे, means they cannot show any movement. वो fix है. For example, we have discussed about the skull. There are 22 bones are present there. So how many bones are present in our skull? 22. But that have a fixed joint. So it is again divided into joints. जो होते हैं बेटा बात करूं, इस पार्ट की बात करूं, क्या मैं आइस की मूवमेंट, दैट इज ऑल्सो भी अ मूवमेंट, बट वी कैन नॉट बी मूव फ्रॉम दिस पार्ट। मैं ऐसे नहीं कर सकते, आई कैन मूव, तो वो मूवमेंट हो रही है मेरी नेक से, दैट मूवमेंट इज फ्रॉम द नेक, दैट इज नॉट फ्रॉम द मिडल पार्ट में अपने हेड के आधे पार्ट को ऐसे कर लूं, दैट इज नॉट बी डन बिकॉज द ज्वाइंट्स आर फिक्स्ड, दैट इज नॉट बी मूवेबल। सो which is present in our skull, that is a fixed joint. Second, slightly movable. Slightly movable, there is that is showing that some movement is there. For example, joints in our backbone. Backbone में ring-like structure you have seen in the previous lecture in the human skeleton system. There is a ring-like structure is present which is slightly moving. कुछ हम पूरे पार्ट को मूव तो नहीं कर सकते। फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर हम बात करें इसकी, धीरे से बेंड हो सकते हैं, ऐसा तो नहीं कि हम पूरी बॉडी को जो है वो मूव कर सकें, ओके, या हम चारों तरफ अपनी बॉडी को यहाँ से इस पार्ट को जो है वो पूरी तरफ चारों तरफ मूव नहीं कर सकते और अराउंड। सो दैट इज कॉल्ड द स्लाइटली मूवेबल जॉइंट। नेक्स्ट द लास्ट वन, इफ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द फ्रीली मूवेबल joints, if we are talking about that allow the range of the movement, वो कुछ movement जो होती है that allow the movement. For example, we will study about the freely movable, आगे इसके different जो parts and different types हैं, we will study it one by one about the freely movable joint. So that can be moved somehow. कुछ for example हम pipe यहाँ के neck की बात करें, there is a some joint is present with a which is connected with the backbone, ये हमारे backbone से connected है, okay, and here is what is present, there is a spinal cord is present. So यहाँ पे जो if I am talking about the joint which is present in our neck, that is called the pivot joint. The first part of the freely movable joint is the first part of the freely movable joint is, what one is pivot, pivotable कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं, pivot joint is there, that is present in our neck और head में present हो, so that's why we can be move our head की movement जो होती है वो neck के through, that is which joint is help us, pivot joint. How it is look like? For example, there is a cylindrical and there is a ring-like structure is there, okay, which can be helped in the movement of this joint. अब ये शो इतनी मूवमेंट करता है यहाँ से यहाँ तक, so that can be show the movement like this, left and right. So this is called the what is pivot movement or pivot joint, which is present in the neck and help in the head movement. The second type of the joint is that is a ball and the socket joint. Ball and socket. Ball and socket means there is a bone, it is a ball like structure is there, and socket cup like structure होता है, okay, that is present there. For example अगर हम बात करें, it is like this, okay, and here, okay, so this is the one bone is like this, ये ball की तरह होता है, socket means ये cup like structure होता है, this is a socket, okay, and this is a ball. So it can show the movement, ये इसमें move कर सकता है. So where it is present? It is present in our shoulder, in our hips. Shoulders की movement हम ऐसे कर सकते हैं. तो यहाँ पे कौन सा like this? इस shoulders की हम बात करें, we can move like this. So there is a ball and the socket joint is present. Third type of joint that is called the gliding joint. Gliding joint. Gliding joint that is present in our wrist. Wrist की बात करें here. How can here? Wrist and the ankle, like this. Okay, I can show. You can also do this. तो यहाँ पे कौन सा ज्वाइंट प्रेजेंट है? ग्लाइडिंग ज्वाइंट. मूव कर रहा है चारों तरफ ऐसे अराउंड. ओके, सो दिस टाइप ऑफ विच इज प्रेजेंट इन आवर wrist and the ankle. Wrist and ankle. It is present in our wrist and ankle. So this is called the which is gliding joint. Now the last one, fourth one is left, that is called the hip joints. Last freely movable joint is called the hinge joint. Fourth one is hinge joint. Now where it is, it can be shown the one side movement. Okay, for example, if I am talking, it is like this. One side movement is there. Okay, like this. So it can be moved like this. ये move करता है. It can be present here. Okay, it can be present in our knee. ये कहाँ पे प्रेजेंट होता है? नीचे से हम भागते हैं दौड़ते तो हमारे पाँव जो होते हैं वो नीचे. दैट कैन बी मूव लेफ्ट राइट आगे पीछे मूव कर सकते हैं. सो विच टाइप ऑफ जॉइंट इज प्रेजेंट? दैट इज प्रेजेंट इन आवर एल्बो एंड द नी. In our knee and elbow, hinge joint is present. So we have discussed about the four type of joint. First one is the pivot joint, where it is present in a neck. It helps in the movement of our head. The second type of joint which we have studied, that is a ball and socket joint. It is present here in our hips. Here it is present, and here it is present in the shoulders. So that's why we can show our movement. Third type of joint, that is called the gliding joint, which is present in our wrist like this. And the last one, which is called the hinge joints, that is present in our knee and the elbow. Now the last topic of this chapter is leg, that is called the muscles. Now what are the muscles? The last topic, if we are talking about, that is called the muscles of this chapter. अब ये muscles क्या होती हैं? These are attached with the bones. ये हमारी bones के साथ attach होती हैं. It is also help in the whenever we are doing the movement. जब हम movement करते हैं, so these muscles that can also be worked. So how can, whenever there is a movement of the bone, okay, that can also show the movement. So how can they show the movement? These muscles push the bone to the back sides. Okay, यहाँ पे for example you have listen about the bicep and the tricep. ठीक है, whenever the wrestlers they show their, वो अपनी बॉडी बनाते हैं तो वो बाइसेप और ट्राइसेप बोलते हैं. तो इसको हम बाइसेप बोलते हैं. दिस वन इज अ ट्राइसेप. सो हाउ देयर इज अ रिलैक्सेशन and the contraction of the muscle is there. ये बोन को एक सपोर्ट तो प्रोवाइड करते हैं, but whenever the bones that can be pushed the, वो क्या करते हैं? फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप टच करोगे, my hand is, my arm is like this. There is a no such type of a contraction and relaxation is there. You can also be feel whenever I bend, okay, it can be what is, there is a contraction of the muscles. Okay, क्या हो जाती है? थोड़ी सी बड़ी सी हो जाती है. And this one is contract now. This is relaxation of the muscles. एक push bone जो है वो उसको push करती है. Bones that can be push the muscles. Okay? So that become a hard. ये muscle जो है क्या हो जाती है? ये ऊपर की तरफ हो जाती है. Whenever we move our arms like this, so there is a what? This is a type of the contraction is there. There is a, for example, there is a bone is there, and these are the muscles are there. both sides. The bones are connected with the muscles. These are the muscles. Okay, this is the bone. This part, ये part जो है बीच वाला ये क्या है? There is a bone is present. और यहाँ पे जहाँ पे bending हो रही है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? There is a joint. यहाँ पे joint present होगी. And muscles are present here. So here is a two type of the muscle is there, bicep and the tricep. Okay. So upper one, this one is a bicep muscles and this one is a tricep. So whenever we do the movements, then what happens? There is a, अगर ये contract करती है तो ये relax करती है. अगर ये relax simultaneously vice versa, एक मसल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करेगी दूसरी रिलैक्स करेगी, एक रिलैक्स करेगी दूसरी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करेगी. So this is a continuous movement which help in the movement of the bones also. So in this way the muscle also play a very important role in the movement of the bones and the joints. Whenever we do the movements of our body, then it simultaneously जैसे bones help करती है, it can also help the movement in the body. Hopefully you understood this chapter very well. Okay. If there is any problem, then you can discuss 10 to 12 in our there is a live classes is there. Okay. Hopefully you understood this one and you can also know the joints which is present inside our body, the different types, what is the role of the rib in skeletal system, which are the different part we have studied. You understood. अब तुम लोगों को ये समझ में आ गए होंगे और कैसे जॉइंट्स हेल्प करते हैं, कौन कौन से जॉइंट जो है वो हमारे स्केलेटन सिस्टम में प्रेजेंट है, दैट यू हैव टू बी स्टडीड. होपफुली यू ऑल आर अंडरस्टूड ऑल दीज थिंग वेल. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे. नमस्ते.